to Stef le Chef. Today I will be making a tartiflette, a typical shepherd Savoie gratin dish. So for this dish you will need some Reblochon. In other recipe I will recommend some alternative product, but for this one you do need Reblochon as it makes the dish itself. This one, got it from Mark & Spencer, but you can find it in Sainsbury, Tesco or any good supermarket. You also need a couple of onions. I've got some pancetta here, smoked pancetta, but you can use for this one alternative as smoked lardons. Some butter. I've got some baby new potato which have been boiled for 10 minutes and cooled down. Salt and pepper as usual, and a good dry white wine, a splash. First of all, preheat your oven to 200 degrees. There we go. In preparation for the cooking, I slice all my potatoes in slices. I chop my pancetta and I chopped my onions. And here we go. Just put the stove on for cooking. So, hot pan, a little butter. To it, I'm adding the onion. Let them sweat for 5 minutes on their own. So after 5 minutes, the onion has been sweated. We add the pancetta in it, and we're gonna give it nice coloration for this mixture. This mixture in Savoie, we call it soubies as well, and we use this mixture also to add to the polenta, which I will show you one day. So after 10 minutes, I'll give it a nice color. But here come the potatoes. A little salt, not too much, but be generous on the black pepper. A good stir. For about 5 minutes. So halfway stage we add some splash of white wine, generous, and we cook this for another 10 to 12 minutes to soften the potato. After 10 minutes of cooking the potato on the stove, you just transfer it to a gratin dish. And now, the last bit. At that stage, I forgot to mention that you can add cream if you want, but today I did not. Some people add a little cream, but I feel that with the Reblochon, it's rich enough. Get your cheese and just cut it in a slice and just some people cut the cheese halfway, and some people cut the cheese halfway and just put it on the top. I prefer to do it like so. This one, by the way, it's a 400 gram portion. You can find smaller, 250 gram, but this one is 400 gram. In the oven for half an hour, 200 degrees. So after half an hour in the oven, here comes the result. You can gratinate it a bit more, but that's perfect. I will be serving this tartiflette today with a nice chef salad consisting of white red chicory, little quail eggs and a little walnuts. It was nice with a nice mustardy French vinaigrette. Nice and creamy. It smells like it could be in the Alps right now. So there you have it, tartiflette, Savoie style. Goes well with the wine from Savoie region, such as Apremont or Chignan, but Sauvignon Blanc will do today. Please subscribe and like for more recipe on Stef le Chef. Bon appétit, cheers, and see you soon.